Morning, everyone. It's 8:45 on this, well, up here anyway, snowy uh, morning, and let's just get right to it. This is your pre-opening comment, and it is video number 1641 for this morning. We had earnings, and they really ruled the futures markets. We were down as much as a little over 200 before the employment cost index came out. We were down 110, followed by a little bit of a bounce to down 52. Right now, we're up 48. Same situation with the Nasdaq and the S&P, down pretty strong, followed by unchanged, now followed by up. So we're up 8.5 on the S&P. This earlier we were down double digits, so a little bit of an improvement. The stocks that actually were pushing the Dow, pretty simple: Exxon Mobil with a beat. Stock is 114, up just a half a buck. We also had Caterpillar, which was a miss. Stock was 254, down 7.5 or 3%, and McDonald's also with a beat, but some poor guidance, and 265 down 589 or 2.1%. So just those two alone were enough to depress the Dow. Let's see, about 50. Uh, yeah, so that represents about 100 points off uh, the Dow. I have not seen Chicago PMI, but what we did have was that Q4 employment cost index. It came in at +1. Estimate was for +1.1, so that's a little bit better. And that's also versus 1.4, which was the all-time high. We still have not seen Chicago PMI, and for another 15 minutes or so before the FHFA housing price and the November Case-Shiller housing prices comes out. Also at 10 o'clock, once the market is open, we have consumer confidence. So I'm really kind of interested in that. Okay, so bonds are up 20, 30 seconds, and the dollar is down about 7 cents, nothing overwhelming. Bitcoin, which had a huge day to the downside yesterday in the cash market, has come back. Back to 23,190. That's up 365. It did trade briefly overnight, not last night, but the night before, did briefly trade over 24,000. Let's see. Grains down a little. They've been up the last couple of days, not by much, but positive. Oil down another 53 cents, tried to rally off yesterday's decline of $1.78. Heating oil down a penny, gas down a penny. Wow, natural gas down 0.004. That's the best pre-opening morning that we've seen lately. Gold is down 860, pretty close to the low. Silver down about 30 cents, also pretty close to the low. Cotton, coffee, lumber, all up. Lumber was up 24 bucks yesterday, 518, so above that 500 level. And that's really about it. Dow is now up 73, Nasdaq is up 32, and the S&P continues to gain a little, not as volatile as the Dow with those earnings numbers, but it has come back to up about $12. All right, everyone, have a good day out there. Lots more earnings and stuff coming. I'll be